What's up, everybody? I'm Shane. You're riding Treasure Train. Here we are again. October time, Panning Booth. First class miners panning booth. Taught a bunch of kids to pan today. This is the Joshua Tree Gym Mineral Fest. Our dry washer set up.
Bring them over. You know they want to, Ma.
Take you in here in the museum. This is an awesome museum, man. They bring it around with them everywhere. This is all Tommy's gold. I want to get him to come out and speak to us one time at a club, if you will. It's all drill bits he found. I think one of these is from the blackjack claim. Pulled it right out of the mine. There's our little high desert gold digger booth set up. Route 66. Got a bunch of equipment for sale over here. Mine Labs out here. Greg Velas is out here. AMRA. There's the whole AMRA event, Oktoberfest. We donated this whole little package and a membership to the club with all the prizes.
That's the far boundary, and then there's work split. I have everything cordoned off with
yeah, there's our booth. We got a catch and release panning booth.
2 rules out there, and then 2.
There's all our what we got going on. Come see us.
Yeah, you can walk.
Look at all these people from metal detecting hunt. It's cool to see. Pretty good. Try and get around here in front. Get to walk through everybody. I'm the president, so. I get all these people. It's fun.
What we pulled off our property for appreciation doing this, and I guarantee you are going to find trash because I buried it. No, just kidding. So there's a lot of there's over 1,200 coins out there of just $1 value stuff. Let's go.
There goes the herd. They're off. This way, guys. Isn't it? Oh no, I'm in it. Whoa, I'm in the hunt. There they go. All the way to that back fence you can see. There they go. Here goes one of my favorite prospectors right here. One of the best prospectors I know. Panning at my booth. Corey Rudolph, Pat Keen, panning at my booth. That's cool.
And that's all we
Trouble. These for sale. 3,000. You really can't beat that. Very cool. Raffle. Got the Mine Lab station. Yeah, a member of our club actually won the big nugget over here from Route 66. Over a ½ ounce. Gnarly looking nugget.
7153.
Look at this line we got for the dinner. Pretty cool. Hi, Joan. Cool event here. It's the Night Stalker hunt. Or, I mean, not Night Stalker hunt, it's the red light raffle. Mine Lab red light raffle. You can win a free detector for free.
Am I cutting here?
Here we are rolling into camp Friday morning, late morning. Here we are at the Rendezvous Valley Prospectors. Our spot's way at the top. But yeah, we got quite a few of us out here already. Bunch of clubs. Bunch of fun. We got camp all set up. I'm gonna come over here and run this dirt that I got last time I was out here camping. Hell yeah, that thing's cool. Got a little army jeep. There's my pile guy. You can tell there's two different types of dirt from two different claims. This one's from a high desert gold digger claim, the redder stuff, and this is first class miners claim. I'm just gonna be running through this guy again here. That's my stockpile here at Rendezvous. Next time I'll probably have to get some more buckets. The ocean. This is how much material you end up with from that little guy over there, the ocean. Not too much. That's my panning station right there. I'm panning it out and show you guys what I get. If we get something. Alright, so that's what I got out of that run. 3 specs. There is a little smaller one than those too, but that was only 6 tiny little shovelfuls. I'm only here messing around. But yeah, I finally get to show you guys some gold in this video that I dug up. Been messing around in all these events all month. I'm just hanging out today, or this weekend. Got it all set up, I'm just chilling over here. Puffing away. That's my little pile I got to work. That's about, I want to say it's close to 10 buckets classified. So should keep me busy for all weekend. Heck yeah. That first run was just a run of this white stuff. Let's go over here and try a run of this brownish red stuff. See what we get. Then after all day, I'm just going to be digging the whole thing all together. We'll see what we get at the end. Okay, panning out the red dirt. This pan's a lot heavier. There's so much more black sand at that claim than the other claim. So, we'll see. As you can clearly see, that red dirt has way more gold in it. That's why it's actually one of my favorite spots, really. If you just want to go out to an easy spot and leave your dry washer right there, very good gold for very little work. I mean, dirt is hard to dig, but lately I've just been digging tailings over there and doing pretty good. A lot of fine gold. Everybody's getting ready.
Lorraine Trust is in charge. She wanted me to tell you. It's her fault. Okay, go!
It's Lorraine, the President Valley. Way cool lady. Super nice.
I like this. Until it goes down.
They're off.
They're pretty shallow, so.
Everybody's finding stuff already. Sniffing them out. And you gotta watch out for this dude over here, Dustin. He's fast.
This is your first place nugget.
Wow.
This is your second place trophy.
Looking for the first.
And there's a silver
I don't
round.
even care about the nugget or the trophy. He's looking for the first place.
And this is your third place trophy. Upper round goes for this. So this is what you're working for. Anything less than third place, you're a loser.
No, that's a good.
Gold nuggets that you will be looking for. They're half a gram each.
Ooh.
Alright? They're not too hard to find. But you got to get the dirt out of your pan to find them. There will be 3 of them. You have to get them out of the pan and in your hand.
No dropping.
Before you say time. Let me re-emphasize that. You tell us when to stop the stopwatch. Just because you get them in your hand, if you don't call time, stop, I got it, something like that, I'm not going to hit the stopwatch. Because I'm not watching your hand. I'm watching the stopwatch.
No.
You cannot dump them in your hand out of a pan. Because there may be a lot of trash. I might not see them. Because once you call time and I hit it, I'm going to look. I want to see how many nuggets are in your hand. Pick up the seed. Push them down a little. Push them down just a little. That's about it. Now, I will set this here, and he's going to tell me which direction he wants the riffles before he touches the pan. Because what happens when he touches the pan? Time starts.
Go,
Where do you want 'em?
Steve.
Right where you're at. Okay.
Don't go,
It's all
Steve.
yours. You ready? Okay.
Slow motion.
I've seen this
First
guy
thing
before.
you want to do is grab your pan, put it in the water, mix it up, make it watery, make it fluid. After you make it fluid, wash out the dirt, keeping the nuggets in the bottom of the pan, back pan it, pick up all 3 nuggets, stop.
26.
Done.
0.86.
Tomorrow. Can I go down and get myself a chair?
Yeah. Okay.
He's watching.
Tomorrow too? Are you guys doing tomorrow?
I can just get it by myself. I'm perfectly capable.
It looks like a braid. That thing you looks like a braid.
Yep. My buddy Aaron over here.
Want some like text mode or something?
Speed
No,
mode.
not too much. Unless you, wait, let go.
Look at that technique.
Stay put for right now.
I want to next to the other.
I'll move you after they're
Time,
done.
boy.
No, it's a bit.
He's got like one of those flat concrete vibrator arms. Come on, get out of there. It is time.
Woo.
1987.
All right, make sure you sign up
Desert
for the
got
next
second.
sucker, huh?
Great job.